Hello guys, this is Duran. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the motor belts for X and the Y axis. So now, let's check it out. First, let's replace the X axis belt. Here we will use the MIRA 9S as an example. By replacing the belt, make sure the machine is powered off or disconnected from electricity. First, remove the control panel. The procedure is as follows. Move the laser head forward first. Then removing the control panel. Remove these two screws first. Next, unplug this white terminal block. Press latch here while pulling outward. Use a little force and it will come out easily. Then gently push the control panel upward and the panel will be removed. Let me show you how these two screws secure the control panel so it will be easy to reinstall later. Hook the side with the screw bracket into the slot on the panel. Then tighten the screws to secure the control panel. Next, pull the laser head over and you will be able to see the belt. Use an Allen wrench. First, loosen this screw here. Remember, you only need to loosen it, no need to remove the screw completely. Then loosen this screw here as well. After that, removing the belt from the small gear. Hold the belt and rotate it towards the right, while moving the laser head toward the left. The belt will come off easily. Simple, right? The installation process is basically the same. First, place the belt onto the small gear, then loop it around the larger gear at the back while moving the laser head toward the right. The new belt is now installed. Next, tighten the screws. First, tighten the screw slightly, but do not fully tighten it yet. At the same time, use your hand to check the belt tension by pinching the belt. It should feel moderately tight. Then tighten the screws that secure the motor. Use one hand to support the motor from underneath so there is no gap here. Again, pinch the belt to check the tension. Once the tension feels appropriate, tighten these two screws first. Then tighten the remaining screws. Finally, tighten this screw here completely. Important. Throughout the entire process, you must continuously check the belt tension by pinching the belt. The belt mustn't be too tight, otherwise it will affect the movement speed of the laser head and may even prevent the laser head from moving properly. Therefore, continuous adjustment is necessary until the belt reaches the optimal tension.